Hello everybody and welcome again to this vending machine shopping video. Now let's have a look. Corvette C7R in Hot Wheels livery is very nice. Volkswagen Beetle behind. Ford GT Racing. Ford Bronco. Silverado. 67 GT40 with the red Volvo behind. Then we have the Baja Bone Shaker, Mercedes, Audi RS5, Audi R8 Spider, Renault Alpine. Behind we have Frankenstein, yellow Nissan GTR. I see a Land Rover. Then over here, Honda NSX. Ford GT again with a missing wheel. And these two Ford GT are in the same livery, which is very nice, but pity the missing wheel. Mazda RX-7, which I may buy. And there is a Nissan Fair Lady behind. Tesla Audi RS2, which I am going to buy as well. This is a Baja Crawler, a Volvo Estate in blue. Some shortcuts. Pictionary, BMW, Nissan. We have the Inn Fair, Forza, Race Day. Now the Boulevard series, the car behind the Toyota is very nice, but not the one in front. So I'm not going to pay to get that. Now I'm going to buy the Audi RS2, so let me get some money. I'll insert money and I press 31. Press the green button and it drops. What else do we want? Mazda RX-7 in speed blur. Is it worth to get that? Yes. Number 23. Green button. Okay, do I want the Fair Lady? Maybe not, because I think I already have that Fair Lady. Or I may get that as well. 23 again. Right, just a moment while I retrieve my cars. So there we go, this is what I have bought. I may do an unboxing of the Audi because it's my second purchase. I already have one, and the rest I'll keep. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my unboxing video. Bye.